Handrail round tubes. Round tubes should be fitted at every standing height using low-band couplers to form handrails. Tubes should, wherever possible, be fitted on top of the load-bearing tube and secured with low-band couplers. This means the tube can then be load-bearing. The tube can be positioned exactly where needed and the low bands tightened to secure in place. The gap between the low board or the top of the toe board, if fitted, and the intermediate handrail round tube should be no more than 470 mm. The gap between the intermediate handrail and the top handrail should be no more than 470 mm, with the top handrail tube set at 1 metre from the low board.